what I was going into here at all. I never knew what was waiting for me in front. I was still doing fresh girl, taking pictures. I never knew I was going to be, how would I put it? Well, the whole experience was fun, like very fun, but it was draining. I mean, I've not walked this distance in my life before, like at the stretch, because I felt it was just going to be like a short distance, then we get to the waterfall, take pictures, go back home. I knew it not. See, I was still having fun here. The entire journey to go, like, from this place to the waterfall was, I think, 2 hours or so. I mean, we were hiking for over 1 hour 30 minutes, and we all met up at Use Zone 2. Then we all went together. The first video in this video shows we were lined up together. So even if you don't have a car, they'll pair you up with someone, like to a group, Ike Nation. So they'll pair you up with a group and come here together. So the journey has not started here at all. It has not started. Like this one is still warming up. And I got to a point I had to ask, have we not gotten there? Because when we got to a point, I was seeing water to see show in the video later, and I was like, have we not gotten there? And they were like, very soon. Then and I asked her, hope it's not this road we'll pass back, because this is extremely far. Like when I say something is far, they were like, no, there's another way we'll pass when we are coming back. Actually, when we got to the place, the other way they were talking about, you have to climb. Like when I say climb, it's not like all these rocks that you can walk or climb. You have to climb up there. But you have to pass the same way back. My bones were paining me for like 3 days, not because it wasn't fun or anything, but because I wasn't used to this kind of stress. I say stress because I feel it's stress. I'm used to lying on my bed Monday to night, watching movie, doing something. But this one, I was walking for over 1 hour, 30 minutes, and I was even hungry. The people were telling me it's even good as I didn't know it, blah blah blah. But I know my body system. Who sent me a message? But this is fun though. Really fun though. I've not done this kind of thing before, and this is my first time. And I don't really exercise. I don't even exercise. I don't really. So that is why I'm feeling this effect so much. I'm feeling this effect though. My leg is paining me, and I'm tired, and I'm hungry. But of course, there cannot be. Hey, it cannot be food. Okay. So when we got to this point here, I was feeling the kind of joy that okay, because I'm seeing the rocks. I was seeing water, not the regular brown sandy bush I was seeing before. So I had it up that okay. But this was like still like, let's say 30 to 45 minutes from the place. And I was like, God is really good. I mean, where is this water coming from? Hey, so this place, you have to climb this place up. After I climb this place, what I'm saying? Yes, we have to climb this place. Okay, so I'm supposed to climb this place. Hey, wow. I don't know how I climbed that thing, but I climbed. No assistance. Alright, you're doing well. Just take it down. are too scared to come up. It's a courage to come up, and wow, the air is beautiful.
Actually, I was right that there's nowhere. But I was right that there's nowhere.
No video. So yeah, but we're done climbing. We exercise.
You want to try
Doing
one
no,
day?
it's being rubbish.
Yeah.
God, I'm too lazy.
Only thing that will look unfair is the stars in the night.
Even that,
Wow.
I don't think I want to exercise. I mean, I downloaded one app one time. I used 4 days, not 4 days. But this exercise class was so fun. I don't know them, but nothing like the it was like after some days, my hips woke up feeling the pain there, but in general, man, I had fun. This is Karshi Waterfall at Karshi, and is it Karshi or Karshi? I don't know. But I had fun, and if you ask me if I'm going to go again, well, I'll certainly go because it's an experience everybody needs to have. Cause I'm used to staying at home. I just have to go out, do new things, and stuff. So if you're in Abuja, I need a hike group. Just go to Instagram, search for Hike Nation, and I only paid 500 naira. At this point, we were going back. Look at me. I was fucking tired. Sorry, I was tired. And I had to look for someone. Okay, someone.
Baby gets tired. Oh, sorry.
I'm not done to. And I turned to someone that needed stick to support me. I had fun. At this point, you know what it is. So, if you're in Abuja and you just need a hangout group, just go to Instagram, Ike Nation, and the update always there. They go in outside Abuja to travel different places. So, thanks for watching this video. Like, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Drop a nice comment. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day.